Today I will share with you top 5 best mini excavator review 2024. So, let's start. Subscribe my channel. Number 1. 2-ton 3-ton top quality hydraulic small digger. Introducing our Chinese hydraulic small digger crawler mini excavator, a top quality solution for versatile applications. Choose from 1 to 3 tons to suit your specific needs. Weighing 1,000 kilograms, this compact excavator delivers exceptional performance with a powerful hydraulic system. The crawler design ensures stability and maneuverability in diverse terrains. Benefit from factory delivery and customization options, tailoring the machine to your requirements. Elevate your efficiency and productivity with this reliable and agile mini excavator, designed to meet the demands of various tasks. Number 2. Hydraulic 1.8-ton agricultural mini excavator. Unleash the power of precision with our hydraulic 1.8-ton agricultural mini excavator. Weighing 1,800 kilograms, this EPA/Euro 5 compliant crawler is a versatile and efficient solution for agricultural tasks. The compact design ensures easy maneuverability in various terrains. With a robust 2-ton Kubota engine and factory customization options, this mini digger delivers unparalleled performance. Elevate your farming operations with a reliable, customizable, and environmentally compliant solution. Invest in efficiency and durability for your agricultural endeavors with our top-of-the-line mini excavator. Number 3. Agricultural Machinery JKW10 Mini Excavator. Revolutionize your agricultural operations with the JKW10 Mini Excavator, a compact powerhouse designed for efficiency. Weighing in at 0.8 to 1 ton, the small digger offers micro-digging capabilities, enhancing precision in confined spaces. Explore versatility through customizable attachments, tailoring the machine to your specific needs. The JKW10 excels in maneuverability and durability, ensuring seamless performance. Elevate your farming tasks with this agile and adaptable micro-digging machine, delivering reliability and productivity for a range of agricultural applications. Number 4. 1,800 kilograms 1-ton 2-ton hydraulic mini excavator. Introducing our 1,800 kilograms hydraulic mini excavator, a powerful and versatile solution for your digging needs. With options ranging from 1 to 3 tons, this mini digger is ideal for various applications. Boasting competitive prices and factory customization, it offers exceptional value. The 1.8-ton small bagger combines efficiency with durability, ensuring reliable performance on any project. Elevate your excavation tasks with this compact and powerful hydraulic excavator that provides optimal functionality and flexibility. Secure yours today for a cost-effective and tailored solution to your construction requirements. Number 5. Wholesale 2-ton closed cab mini excavator. Discover efficiency and power with our Chinese manufacturer Wholesale 2-ton closed cab mini excavator. This compact marvel boasts a closed cab design for operator comfort and safety. With a customizable 3-ton hydraulic system and €5 per EPA compliance, it meets rigorous standards. Ideal for various applications, this mini excavator delivers reliable performance. Engineered with precision and durability, it ensures optimal productivity on any project. Unleash the potential of our mini excavator, your versatile solution for digging tasks in construction and landscaping. Thanks for watching.